Then down here, then we're kind of going. We've got things like all grips, heated grips and non-heated grips, from chrome to rubber. Then we've got battery charges. Down here is all kind of more maintenance related stuff. So we've got your EBC brakes here. We have OEM brakes as well. We've got bearings from All Balls and from Moose Racing. Air filters, high flow, OEM air filters plus K&M air filters. So we can actually get any Honda products. Like we've got the speaker covers here for the 2006 upwards. So we can actually get any part that you require, a Honda part, non-Honda part. If you don't see something on our site that you're looking for, you can drop us an email and we'll price it up for you. Then down, and we also, just an example, we also have alternators and batteries as well. We generally try and keep one of each in stock at a minimum, because when they go, people are looking for them in a hurry, and they do take a small while to get in. So a lot of it, we generally try and keep things like the switches and stuff like that in stock. So if someone's stuck, we can hopefully help them out. And over here now we have most of our 1500 stock. Like we've got our chrome side covers, saddlebag lights, and the edge trims, the lower and upper ones, armrests, saddlebag rails, fender lights, reverse levers, glove box covers, kick plates. We also have the carburetor covers, fender extenders, they're the chrome fender covers as well. We have the driving lights, chrome mirrors. We also have the fog covers up there, wind deflectors, the triple exhausts for the 1500. The problem now with the 1500 accessories is add-on are going out of business, they're closing down. So a lot of these stuff won't be available, and unfortunately they were the main supplier for 1500 products. Now we have been able to replace some of their stuff so far, like the fender extenders, the carburetor covers, the chrome side covers. So we are looking for other suppliers to see, can we keep 1500 products in stock. Up here then we would have your Pathfinder products. Now Pathfinder have some very nice lights. So you've got your spoiler lights. These would be for 1800 and also the 2018 1800. So you've got the rear panel lights, sequential indicator lights, cowl lights, fog lights, fog lights, the spoiler lights. They also do the headlight, the LED headlights, headlight conversion kits, and all the various wiring harnesses, and you've got a range of individual bulbs as well, if you so wish. Now over here then, up here then, you'd have your screens. There will be a standard height screen, vented and unvented, but again we can get various sizes screens for you. Now here we have Gold Strike. They would basically do 2018 upwards. Some of their products like the cup holders, phone holders will fit the earlier model Goldwings. So one very good product from Gold Strike is a distribution block. Somebody I would recommend putting into the 2018 model upwards. It makes adding accessories very simple. It also comes with various wiring harnesses for Pathfinder, curated and Universal. So you can actually plug any accessory into it. So you'd have things like the rotor cover lights, trunk lights. You would have your LED lights that you can put all over around the bike. The rear panel lights, saddlebags. That's the trunk light. They actually look quite good. Most of these are available in black or chrome. So they're the front filler lights, lighted flag poles, fork mounted lights, radiator lights. So Gold Strike do very nice accessories. After that then we have the add-on accessories for the 1800s, but again, once a lot of these are gone, fortunately they're gone. Now we have your sequential armrest lights. They're actually very nice. You have your speaker accents, your what else have we got? So your rear light, timing chain covers, glove box accents, those ones for the up to the 2010, 2006, and for the airbag and non-airbag model. After that, then we'll be going up into the show chrome accessories. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Join us on our YouTube channel, Shinywing European Goldwing Specialists. We'd have the side fairing accents. That's for the newer Goldwing, the 2021 model. Trunk light, belly pans, tow bars, all the various chrome, the exhaust extensions, chrome covers, speaker accents, wind deflectors. We have things like your radio accents, again speaker accents, fuel tank, control switches. Unfortunately, they've discontinued the ones for the airbag model, which is a shame. You have your saddlebag lights. Disc covers, they come in chrome or black. The rear LED vertical strips, as I refer to them as the hockey sticks, they come in chrome or black. You also have the lower piece, again in chrome or black. You've got your valve covers, dragon wind deflectors, fog lights, trunk accents, that's the fairing, front fairing accents, the grips. So you have all products here that will also include the 2018 upwards model. You have the rear fender covers, you also there as well. You have timing chain covers, the transformer floorboards down there. You have floorboard covers. So on the curated and stuff, we do have a lot of stuff. Equally, you have your exhaust extensions, the chrome handlebar covers. That's a fender extender again. So you have a couple of options there. And replacement rubbers for transformer boards. So there'll be a lot of the curated products. Then over here, then we've got a lot of our kind of luggage area. You have your various bags, your carpet sets, you have your luggage bag. That will be one of our most popular items. We've got up there, you have various covers, trike covers, bike covers, trailer covers, half covers and full. You have your trunk liners and your saddlebag liners for all the Goldwings. And you have various pockets there that you can add on to your bike. So that would be a lot of our luggage. Now over here then we have a lot of products that we sell under our own brand. Now all these we source from other suppliers, but we test them all before we actually put them up on the site. So to make sure that they all fit properly and they're all working properly. So you have things like the floorboard kits in black or chrome, lower spoilers, fog lights, rotor covers for the new 1800s, replacement glass, timing chain covers, the vertical strips, they come in chrome with black lenses. They also come in chrome with white lenses. And we also have the rear ones in black and chrome. Mirror back accents, shark grills for the fairing. These are the fog covers for the airbag model. We also have your ignition panel for your new Goldwing, cup holders, fender extenders, and up there then we actually have a range of body panels, which we're able to get all the body panels as well. They're actually spoilers, rare spoilers that we have. And then we have over here a range of audio cables for your headsets, your J&M headset, your other side, they're speakers now, so J&M speakers and show chrome the speakers to fit all the Goldwings if you want to upgrade your speakers. Then over here then we have a range of cameras. We've got the Innovi K3, the K5, and we also have a K6, and we've got the helmet camera. So we also carry a full range of cameras as well, if you're interested in any of them. We also have plenty of indicators, if you need new indicators, we have them all. Now for the news, next week we are going to be attending the Irish Treffin up in Kilkenny. It's their 40th anniversary bash, so hopefully it will be a good event. We're also going to be videoing the event for the weekend on live streams and shorts. We'll also have the shop up there, so all the products that you have seen previously will all be available, and I'll be on site myself if you have any questions. So if you need any products that you've seen here for your bike, please let us know and we can make sure we have it there for you. So hopefully to see you sometime next week. It's goodbye from Paul.